my grandmother is. But can I walk the streets of the, maybe personally, you'd hate me to see me die. But, how about the others? How about the Christians? They're avoiding places. Nandiyan yung kidnapping, nandiyan yung... So when can I go to Zamboanga, Hulo, Siasi, without a firearm and without a soldier or policeman guiding me or keeping watch? Ako ayaw kong ang kotse ko when I travel, I'm the only one. Wala akong kasama, ayaw ko. Hindi kasi ako nasanay, kasi sa Davao, nagmumotor lang ako, kaya ako dumugo yung... It pains me to see things that I love.